Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll walk you through how the KashKick app works, step by step, so you can start earning rewards easily. Let's dive in. Step 1. Download and install KashKick. First, download the KashKick app from your device's app store and install it. Step 2. Create your account. Open the app, sign up with your email or social login, and complete your profile details. Step 3. Explore available tasks. Browse through the available tasks or offers like surveys, app installs, watching videos, or shopping cashback. Step 4. Complete tasks to earn points. Complete these tasks carefully to accumulate points or rewards within the app. Step 5. Redeem your rewards. Once you have enough points, redeem them for gift cards, PayPal Cash, or other available options. Tip: make sure to follow each task's instructions precisely to ensure your points are credited. That's it. Now you know how KashKick works to help you earn rewards. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.